Hi, this is Rashpal, and in today's video we're going to look at water. We all know it's important, but why? In this video we'll look at all the benefits, when and how to drink water, and how you know whether you've had enough or not. Towards the end of the video we're going to take a look at one water hack which will give you all the benefits in a quick and easy way, so stay tuned for that. You probably already know that our bodies are made up of 60% of water, so it's really important for the proper functioning of our whole system that we stay hydrated. There are a lot of benefits to drinking water. It helps our digestive system work properly. Drinking water helps our skin stay clear. It also helps our muscles to function well. And when we're feeling unwell or we've got a virus, what are we always told? Drink plenty of fluids. So water is really important to help our immune system to function well and helps you recover quickly when you have a virus or infection. Now, let's take a look at a couple of other benefits of water that you might not be aware of. Number 1, water is an essential part of the process of flushing out toxins from our body, and it does this in several ways. We get rid of toxins through our skin, through perspiration when we sweat. We detox from our kidneys and liver. They remove the toxins that get into our body from our food and environment, and these come out through our urine. And water helps us to get rid of toxins through our intestines and our digestive system, which comes out as your poo. Benefit number 2. Water can actually help you lose weight. Water fills your stomach and stops you getting hungry, and it's calorie-free. It does not replace food, but water can help you avoid snacking between meals. Do you ever feel overweight because you're bloated? One of the reasons our body holds onto water and we feel bloated in the first place is that we're not drinking enough. And your body needs to hold onto the fluid to help run all the processes that rely on it. When you drink more water, your body feels that it has enough and it doesn't need to retain fluid. How do you know if you've had enough water to drink? Well, basically, when you go to the toilet, if your urine is any darker than a pale yellow, then that means you are dehydrated. Straight away go and drink a glass of water. It's as simple as that. No counting glasses or measuring litres, just keep an eye on the colour of your urine, which should be clear or a very pale yellow. Now let's talk about not drinking enough. As our body is made up mostly of water, it needs water to function properly, so it's really important that we stay hydrated. If you're dehydrated, you can feel a bit lightheaded and dizzy. Your skin and lips will be dry. You may feel a little confused and tired. This all happens because your body processes are not working as they should be. Toxins are staying in your system instead of being flushed out. And if you often drink too little, then it can even affect your kidneys and you can end up getting kidney stones. So it's really important that you keep drinking liquids throughout the day. Now we're going to talk about that special water hack, and if you've reached this point in the video, please give it a like. This water hack is a quick and simple way for you to get all the benefits of drinking water. First thing in the morning, when you wake up, drink 2 glasses of lukewarm water before you brush your teeth. Then, after about an hour, drink another 2 glasses. Now this may seem time consuming, but I drink 2 glasses as soon as I get up, and by the time I've done all the jobs that need doing in the morning, an hour's gone by, so I have my next drinks then. Now the 4 drinks that you have first thing in the morning can be water, lemon water, or tea or coffee. It's about not eating any food and giving your body time to rest and repair, and a chance to expel yesterday's food. So you will have to allow some time for going to the toilet, because the extra water and the length of time that you've waited means that food stored in your intestines that's not yet gone will want to come out. So this technique will also relieve constipation and reduce stomach bloating. And remember, being regular in going to the toilet is crucial for good health in the long term. Now, after the water hack, wait until you feel hungry and then have your first meal. You might find that you want to eat later than usual, and that's absolutely fine. By delaying your first meal, you're also naturally fasting. You may not have eaten since the night before at about 7 or 8 o'clock perhaps, and then if you're having your first meal around 10:30 in the morning, that is a natural fast of around 14 hours. So this can actually help your weight loss journey if that's something you're aiming for. If you're interested in learning more about fasting for weight loss or for a healthy lifestyle, we have a video on just this topic, and there's a link at the top of the screen now. If you want to keep watching, the link will come up at the end too. From then on, drink when you're thirsty, regularly throughout the day. Now, don't be in a rush to have a drink straight after a meal. Give your body a chance to start digesting. Just wait until you feel thirsty. That way, the water won't interfere with or dilute the digestion process. Having water throughout the day will also stop you feeling hungry in between meals. Often when we get the munchies, we're actually thirsty. Try taking a drink before reaching for the snacks. I sometimes hear people say that they don't like the taste of water and they find it difficult to drink. This is where adding things like slices of lemon or other fruits and maybe even herbs really helps to give it a bit of flavour. Drinking water is a healthy habit that you can build up over a few weeks. It's really important for your body and a healthy lifestyle that you stay hydrated throughout the day and you have plenty to drink, particularly in hot weather. So we've looked at the benefits of water and given you a technique to really maximise those benefits first thing in the day. So give it a try and let us know how you get on in the comments below. And you can also post any questions that you have there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you receive our next video as soon as it's out for more tips and information on living healthier and happier. See you next time.